to Yoga with Pat. Today I'm going to be doing a painting of all 7 chakras, and we're going to do a little overview of the chakra system and just go over briefly every single chakra. Before, in previous videos, about 2 years ago, I did a series on each of the 7 chakras, and it's a step-by-step painting series. So you'll be able to find that. I'll put a little link on the top corner here. So if you want to paint every chakra individually with me, you can just click that link right there. So the chakras, there's 7 of them. They run along an energetic channel along the center of the body or in front of the spine called the Sushumna Nadi. So Nadi means energy center, similar to the meridians in Chinese traditional medicine. There's also 2 more channels that run along the sides, the Ida and the Pingala Nadi. These correspond with the moon and the sun, or yin and yang, and we work and balance those when we do breath work like Nadi Shodhana or alternate nostril breathing. We can visit that in a future video. So the chakras, let's start with the root chakra. That's chakra number 1. It's located at the base of the spine or the tailbone, and its color is red. The Sanskrit name is Muladhara, and this first chakra is about our connection to Earth, our physical body, and all things related to being a physical being on Earth. It's also about the health of our body and our connection between mind and body. So you'll hear of, or maybe you've experienced this yourself, a felt sense of being separate from your body or disassociation. This happens often after, trauma, traumatic event, and is very much related to a first chakra imbalance. So the root chakra is about survival, right? Surviving on Earth. So if we don't feel safe in the body, safe at home, there may be a retreat into the higher chakras. So this is the place where we start, the beginning. These first 3 chakras are about our earth body. So the way to access them is going to be mostly physical, through exercise, yoga asana, somatics, and just as importantly, the food that we eat. And being outside is a great way to connect with these energies. So like getting your bare feet on the ground, on the earth, right in the grass, is a great way to connect with really all the earth chakras. So that's gonna bring us to the second chakra, which is also an earth-based chakra. This is the sacral chakra. Its color is orange, and its Sanskrit name is Svadhisthana. This energetic wheel is associated with the element water. To me, this is very much about adaptability and going with the flow. If the first chakra is secure, then the stem, right? So we're thinking about a plant here. If the first chakra is secure, if it's rooted down, then the stem will be strong and the plant will be able to withstand storms and winds, whatever nature throws its way. It's also about creativity, happiness, and joy, a lust for life. This is our pleasure center. So located in the bowl of the pelvis, just above the root chakra, it's also associated with reproduction, right? The creation of life. It's a creative chakra, so we can also think of it as the more sort of making based arts, right? Stuff we do with our hands. So making things with our hands, like what I'm doing right now, painting, or something like pottery. So making something out of things that already exist in the earth, kind of manifestation plane. So here we're going to go to our third chakra now. This one is also kind of this physical based chakra, the solar plexus. The solar plexus, its element is fire. Its color is yellow, so bright and hot. And the Sanskrit name is Manipura. This wheel is located in between the belly button and the bottom ribs, and is the energy and fuel of the physical and energetic body. Its association is not just about our physical strength, but also rules our digestive fires. When this chakra is in alignment, we feel confident and strong. When not so much, there may be bloating, we may feel more reserved or even anxious. The power and brightness of this center propels us into the upper chakras, where our consciousness and being can now begin to influence and interact with other beings outside of our physical selves. So that brings us to number 4, the heart chakra, Sanskrit name Anahata. Its element is air, right? So still kind of earth-based, but also kind of sitting on top of earth, moving in between that space between earth and outer space. Its color is green. Located in the center of the chest, it's like within the physical space of the lungs and heart. This center is about our connection to others. This energy is about acceptance and compassion. It's open to love and to receive love. When grief, fear, or disconnection is present, this center moves into protection mode. So the shoulders turn in, the back rounds. We try and make ourselves as small as possible as to not be noticed, right? When we feel accepted in our community or family, when we are energized and happy, the heart space opens and we are able to be kind and receive kindness. There's a sense of abundance and joy. So that brings us to the throat chakra. This chakra, the Sanskrit word Vishuddha, means purity. Its color is turquoise blue. This is the chakra of truth, communication, and expression. So kind of what's happening right now, right? What you're listening to. Like the sacral chakra, this is a creative energy. This creativity is best experienced in the written or performing arts, so like poetry, theater, singing, and music. This energy leaves the physical realm, and spans space and time. So what do I mean by this? We see or experience this through recordings of those who have passed, and hear the voices and receive the teachings of those who may live on the other side of the globe. We've even sent music and recorded speeches out into outer space. So that's really the essence of the throat chakra. The 6th chakra is the third eye chakra. This is, to me, the chakra of knowing. So the Sanskrit word is ajna, and the color is indigo blue. This wheel is located in between your brows, so just above your 2 physical eyes. To me, this chakra is about knowing and intuition. It's about not just seeing with your eyes, but also listening. We learn from others, we learn from books. We also use our inner knowing to filter through and experience all that we learn. This is the chakra of self-study or svadhyaya, one of the niyamas, right? So, in other words, this is a chakra of introspection. So, ways we might practice with this chakra or strengthen this chakra is through meditation. Also through study of texts, right? We can go into the ancient texts, or we're also activating the chakra when we're, studying in school or, continuing education, whatever it is. This is the chakra of knowing. The more we know, the more we can tap into that inner intuition and relate all the things that we've learned to each other, and then also filter them through our own experience. So the final chakra, the top chakra is the crown chakra. So this one's located at the crown of the head, but it also spans beyond the body. It's the chakra of enlightenment. The Sanskrit word is Sahasrara. Its color is white, but here I've painted it pink so that we can kind of see the chakra, right? See the shape. It's also known as the 1,000 petaled lotus. So I'm not going to paint 1,000 petals here because that would be wild. But also 1,000 is a metaphor for this infinite expansion. So enlightenment can seem so outside of what we think we may be capable of in the short term, but I see this chakra as our inspiration center, where ideas come to us when we least expect them, right? Like maybe in the shower, when the mind is quiet, outside distractions is not present. We open up to limitless possibilities when we quiet the mind. Anything is possible in this space because here we are free of attachment and aware of our connection to all beings, places, and things. Nothing is out of your grasp because you are the entirety of things perceivable and unperceivable, the whole universe. So that concludes all 7 chakras. I hope that you've enjoyed this painting. As you follow along with the rest of the painting, you might want to do your own sort of painting journey. So I've put the link to the 7 chakra series painting in the description. Also, if you want to contribute to what I'm doing here, to my studies, there's a link in the description to my Venmo. I do these things for free, obviously, but any donations are appreciated and go towards me further studying about yoga and then further being able to sort of share these things with you. Also, if you like this, please like if you haven't already liked this video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell notifications. That way, or the little bell here at the corner, that way you know when I post another video or when I go live. I want to do more live painting classes on here, as well as yoga asana classes and some pranayama and meditation. So if you liked this or have any input in the conversation, feel free to leave a comment or several comments, and please share this video with your friends. I really want to be able to reach as many people as possible, just to kind of share the joy of making art and also share the joy of yoga. Again, you're super appreciated. I love doing this. And without any further ado, namaste.